Hello everyone, did you know that Europe's largest ice rink is in Zeytinburnu? We answer all your questions in this video. Before starting our video, you can support us by subscribing to our YouTube channel. On Zeytinburnu Ice Island, an extremely modern, clean and well-groomed environment has been prepared that children will love, and there are 2 ice rinks in the facility, both of which are 1,800 square meters Olympic size. A total of 100 people can use each runway at the same time. While national and international sports competitions, shows or events are held in the main court, which has a tribune for 2,400 people, the lower rink can be used for free skating and training at the same time. Ice skating service is provided for amateurs in one of them. Current session information is as you see on the screen. If you ask if Zeytinburnu Ice Island is paid, or how much is the price? I think the price policy is very good according to the quality. All the equipment is provided to you there. As of February in 2023 year, 40 minutes for children is 50 Turkish lira. 40 minutes for adults is 75 Turkish lira. We recommend that you buy your ticket from Biletix so that you can enter the sessions easily. You can also buy your ticket at the box office. But depending on the session intensity, the tickets may also be sold out at the box office. For this reason, arriving at the ice island approximately 1 hour before the session you want to attend will facilitate your ticket purchase. Except for the cancellation of the event, it is not possible to cancel the ticket, change the date, or transfer it to someone else. Each session is 40 minutes. After a 20-minute break, the next session starts. You can enter the session you want, without any limit, provided that you buy your ticket. But if you are not a professional athlete, it is recommended not to attend more than 1 session in a row. On Zeytinburnu Ice Island, there is a large foyer and cafeteria for families with children having fun on the rink. Prices are very affordable. For example, tea is 3 Turkish lira. Where is Zeytinburnu Ice Island? The full address is Veli Fendi, Professor Dr. Turan Gun Street, at 67A, Zeytinburnu, Istanbul. You can benefit from Zeytinburnu Ice Island, which offers comfortable facilities with indoor and outdoor parking lots. It is very easy to reach the location of Zeytinburnu Ice Island, which is close to the E5 highway, metro, tram, Marmari, metro bus stops, by public transport. When you get off the metro, you stay at the edge of the Natanels Garden. It is not even 5 minutes on foot. Or when you get off in Zeytinburnu, there are buses and minibuses. Both of them pass in front of you. You can easily go. Also, if you take any 93 ET bus, you can get off after 1 stop, or you can go on foot as it is very close. Academy training is available on the Ice Island. All ice skating and ice hockey trainings are given at the Ice Island Academy. From the first step on the ice to advanced skill movements, balance exercises, changing direction, jumping, experienced instructors assist beginners in skating on Ice Island. In addition, there are grips on the sides of the track. Although it varies from person to person on the ice rink, basic gliding skills are gained in 8 to 10 lessons. Everyone who successfully completes the Ice Island Academy is awarded a certificate. Private lessons are not offered by Ice Island. If you have hired a private instructor with a skating or ice hockey coaching certificate, you can take private lessons and free sessions at our rink. If you are a certified trainer, you can use our tracks, provided that you buy your tickets with your own student. There are 40-minute sessions every hour, where children learn to skate under the guidance of an expert. Sessions start at 10 o'clock on weekends and after 1800 hours on weekdays. You don't need an appointment, you can register there. But if you register online before you go, it will make your job easier. Cash or credit card payment options are available for Ice Island Academy. If the information required for the Ice Island Athletes session is required, the consent form prepared by the Ice Island must be filled and signed at the entrance. Consent forms for those under the age of 18 must be signed by their families. Any other signed document will not be accepted. If you have a figure skating coaching or ice hockey coaching certificate, you can apply to Zeytinburnu Municipality Career Center. In free sessions, you do not pay any fees other than the session fee. You can use skates and protective equipment completely free of charge during the session. If you wish, you can bring your own equipment with you. Equipment is cleaned with special solutions between sessions. You can use it with peace of mind. When we look at the hours of Zeytinburnu Ice Rink features, Ice Island tracks are open every season from 9 to 2200 hours. Free session hours may vary during the day. You can reach up-to-date session information by calling 444-19-84. Depending on the intensity, free sessions can be held at both ice rinks. The temperature on the ice island is about 12 degrees Celsius. It is imperative that the runways remain within the specified temperature range in order to maintain their temperature and not to deteriorate. For this reason, it is necessary to come to the ice island with thick clothes. On Ice Island, the lower runway is always open. The upper track is closed from May to September due to maintenance and end of season. If you are going to participate in the session and wear roller skates on the ice rink, you can stand next to your children. You do not have to stand next to your children during the session. While your child is in class or free session, you can wait in the tribune or cafeteria and watch the track. Your children can easily complete their sessions under the supervision of our experienced trainers. Public sessions are held at the ice rink between 17 to 2200 hours on weekdays and 10 to 2200 hours on weekends. You can participate without making a reservation. All precautions are taken to avoid mishaps on the ice island. However, medical personnel are on standby during session hours and adequate equipment is available. Some orthopedic ailments, pregnancy, heart conditions and serious respiratory conditions that prevent skating on the ice rink can prevent you from skating. Matters to be considered are: you are kindly requested not to bring food or drink from outside. There are lockers with locks for valuables such as wallet, phone. You can bring your pets in special carrying bags, provided that they do not take them out of their bags or cages. Ice Island has indoor and outdoor parking. Charges are made according to your parking time. There is a baby care room and a prayer room on the ice island. There is also a gym, Pilates and aerobics halls, a library, wireless internet, Wi-Fi, showers, wardrobes and elevators. There are facilities in the building for the disabled/babies to watch the match on the ice island. The Ice Island building is a disabled-friendly building. Special food and drinks for children are available in the cafeteria. So my friend, we have come to the end of our video. Please do not forget to leave your comments. And of course don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. See you in next video. Have a nice day.